Every single website is collecting them, and they're also a delicious dessert. Let's talk about cookies. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and you've probably seen a little alert while browsing the web about how the page is using cookies to maybe improve your experience or to better personalize information. You may have even accepted one of these alerts before, but what are cookies and why can they be a huge problem? Cookies, when it comes to the internet, are essentially text files that are used to collect data. They begin storing information upon your connection to a website, labeling your data with an ID uniquely related back to your computer or device. These are the major types of cookies you'll likely come across on the internet. There's persistent cookies, which store data anywhere from a few days to a few years. Then there are session cookies, which only last as long as your browser is open. And then we have third-party cookies, which are the most concerning. They're also known as tracking cookies, as they track your online behavior. Information collected from a single website visit using third-party cookies can also be shared with advertisers who can then promote items geared exactly toward you on your social media or just as you're browsing online. Cookies are also what are used to save your passwords on various websites, since they can remember your information. While that may seem helpful most of the time, if a hacker were to gain access to your browser, they could then steal every shred of personal information that has been stored on the cookies. That includes login credentials to your bank, financial accounts, and the usernames and passwords of all the sites you visit, including social media. You can manage cookies in most browsers, including Google Chrome. Here's how to do it. Open Chrome and head to your preferences or settings. Then tap Privacy and Security, tap Cookies and Other Site Data, and then you can choose your options when it comes to cookies. For more ways to take back your privacy online, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter.